In this video, I'm going to talk about the concept of variable. What is variable in C language? So variable means storage location of program. For example, we can take it as variable. Variable is like A. A is variable and 5 is value. So that means this 5 value is stored into A. So A is a variable and this A variable stores one of the value. The value is called 5. Okay. So first time we can store 5 is a value. Second time we can store 10 is a value. Third time we can store 15 is a value. Like that we can change variable values. So that means a variable is storage location of the program and it takes different values during execution of program. Okay, let us take one example. So in real time we are using wallets, or see, in the wallet we are taking money. So every time wallet is with you and it may be contains 10,000 rupees, or it may be contains 5,000 rupees, or it may be contains 15,000 rupees. Like that the wallet cash is going to be changed, but the wallet will be like that. Okay, so wallet is what? Wallet is one type of variable. Okay, we are putting 2,000 rupees note, or 5,000, or 500, 200, 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees. These all are comes under values. Okay. To print variables in our C program, we are using type 2 printf syntax. So that means printf in small letters. Printf is predefined function and double quotations closed, double quotations opened. We have to be use format specifier. Format specifier tells to the compiler what type of value are given to the compiler. And variable and semicolon, ending with a semicolon. So assume that A is a value like 5. I want to print this. How to print? And A is the 5, right? 5 means what? It is one type of integer value. Means it accepting only values without any decimals. So how to write this statement in printf? Printf double quotations. See, the integer format specifier is %d. It is predefined. We'll talk about various format specifiers in the concept of data types. So %d, that means it is a format specifier. And what is our variable? Our variable is like A. So if you write like this, you can expect the value 5 in the output screen. Similarly, the same statement we can write other manner. Printf double quotations A value is, see, this information will be printed as it is, %d, comma, and we have to print A. So in the output we can expect this one as it is and this A value. That means A value is 5. Right? So let us see how to. I'm opening decoder and I'm clicking start coding, selecting C programming, and my file name is like variable.c. See, this is the program. Hash include stdio.h is preprocessor. Okay, now I want to write int. Int means data type a equal to 5. Okay, I want to print a value. So there are two ways. So the first one is like %d comma a. So compile the program. Expected 5 is the output. So similarly, I'm going to change this format like a value is. Okay. Again, after compiling, you can observe that a value, this information in the double quotation as it is, and a value 5 will be printed. To understand the concept of variables, we can take one program that is nothing but swapping of two numbers. It is one of the important program. Swapping means interchange of values. We can take a value is like 5 and b value is like 10. This is the input, and output is a value becomes 10, b value becomes 5. To solve this example, we can take one logic. The logic is like this. Let us take a small example. We can take one glass 1 and we can take glass 2. Basically, this glass 1 contains water and glass 2 contains milk, and output must be this glass 1 contains milk and glass 2 contains water. How to do this process? Very simple process. We can take additional glass like G. Okay, first of all, whatever water we have, this water is pouring into G. Okay, then this water is empty right now. Okay, and after that, now this empty content is there, right? Now this milk is pouring into this empty. Then G1 is expected milk. Now G2 is empty right now. Okay, so what G contains means empty glass contains. This empty glass contains water. Okay, so the next step is this water is going to be pouring into G2. Okay, so G1 contains milk, G2 contains water. So this is the output, right? In the similar manner, we can take it as T. It means temporary value. Okay, a value copied into T means 5 value copied into T. Then now the G is like T, right? Now B value, A is empty right now, right? B value copied into A. Now A becomes 10. Next, T is there, right? What is the T value? 10. So this T 10 value copied into B. Okay, so this is the way we can performing swapping of two numbers. See, in this program, swapping of two numbers, we are taking A value, B value and T value. A value is the 5, B value is the 10. Before swap, printing of A value, printing of B value, and the format specifier is %d for the integer. And as per the logic, A value copied into T, B value copied into A, and ultimately T value is copied into B. After swap, you can expected values like this. Once check the result. A value is 5 before swap and after swap 10. B value is a 10 before the swap and after swap 5. Okay, I hope you understand what is a variable and how to use variable in a program.